Hey Dondy members, this is Alon, here to take you step by step through the configuration of Dondy on your Shopify store. Here to help you grow sales and revenue using WhatsApp. Let's get straight into it. Alright, so from the home page, we're going to follow our stepper, connect to WhatsApp, log in with Facebook, and continue. We're going to choose our portfolio. If we already have a verified one, we should choose that. If not, we can choose another one. And here we can decide if we want to create a new account or connect to an existing WhatsApp business number. If we have an existing WhatsApp business number, I'll use the second option. If I don't, I'm going to use the first option, create an account WhatsApp business, and use a clean number, one that doesn't have any WhatsApp. Continue. Fill out the information of the business. Make sure the name matches all throughout. Your country and your time zone. Amazing. Here, again, if we're adding a new number, we'll use the second option. If we're verified on Meta, only if we're verified, we can use the top option to use a display name. We're going to go ahead with the bottom option, using a new number, country code, add your number, and wait to receive a 6-digit code OTP from Facebook. You can get it by SMS or phone call. We got the code. Continue. Confirm. We're going to be connecting to our account. Click finish. Well done. Now that our number is connected, we're going to add a payment method on Meta. Choose our portfolio, add payment method. Make sure it's a credit card, not debit, not American Express. Choose your time zone and currency. Fill out your details and save. Well done. After adding your credit card, we're going to step 4, set up profile. Click on the number, go to profile, choose file, add a logo to your WhatsApp, and make sure to save. Well done on finishing step 1.